So today we are going to talk about sentiment analysis, and in this session we are going to use the GraphLab, and the reviews that we are going to use is the reviews of food items. So let's start. So initially import the GraphLab and click Shift and Enter, and I'm storing my data in a in the variable called data. So GraphLab.hreframe, reviews.csv, and click Shift and Enter. So it's completed. So let us try to visualize our data. So you can see here the ID, the product ID, the user ID and his name, and the score that he has given to the particular product. So there are more columns. So I'm just selecting few columns, so it's comfortable for me to visualize the data. So I'm storing it in the review variable. So and click Shift and Enter. And let us try to visualize our data. So you can see here the person has given 5 to this particular product, and the review that he has given to this particular product. And now let us try to count the number of words in the particular text. For that we are going to use the function called count words. So let us create a new column called count. So in this we have to send the parameter. So that is we need to send the text which is in the review. So let's send that. Click Shift and Enter. Now let's try to see. So you can see a column called count, and in the first review there are 3 ands and 1 all. So it's going to give the total number of counts of that particular word. So Now let us try to visualize the data in the Python book itself. So as I've said in the previous videos, we need to use the set target. So let us do that. Click shift and enter. Let us try to review the products. So here you can see that most of the people have voted to this particular product. 913 people have voted for this particular product. So this should be the popular product that have been reviewed. So let's visualize the product. So I'm just creating a new variable called popular, and I'm storing this popular product in that variable. So just copying this ID. So just click shift and enter. Let us try to see some reviews given to that particular product. So these are the different reviews given to that particular product. So you can see that most of the reviews are giving a good sign, they are positive. So let's see how many people have given the highest votes. So you can see here most of the people have given 5 ratings. Nearly 624 people have given a 5 rating, and very less people have given bad reviews to this particular product. So it's called it's one of the popular product in it.